I'm Ron from Kolleno, the leading seamless NetSuite integration to chase, collect, and reconcile your invoices. In this tutorial, I guide you through the steps for installing the Auto-Charge Credit Card SuiteApp in NetSuite, as well as the second options. Please note that only administrators can install this SuiteApp. So first we will go to Customization, Suite Bundler, Search and Install Bundles. So the bundle name we're looking for is Auto-Charge Credit Card, but if you type in the number, it will be 188299. And then I search. So here you can see Auto-Charge Credit Card. I'll click on it. Once you're here, please make sure to review the different documentation. So you have it on components, and then you have SuiteApp info. So you are sure that you know what you're installing, and then you also have this admin documentation link here. If you're happy with everything that you see, you just come back to the top, you click Install. If prompted, agree to automatic updates by NetSuite for future enhancements. During the installation, you can click Refresh to see the current status. Once the installation completes, you're ready to use the Auto-Charge Credit Card SuiteApp from NetSuite. If you're looking for other options by different payment providers, Kolleno can help you integrate that seamlessly with NetSuite. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up under the video, and I'll see you in the next one.